That'll do it. Phew! Sent it.
Right, I'm telling you. Honey, what do we have there?
Big drop.
Ah, is this the Red Bull drop?
Big freaking drop.
Man, okay, let's go take a look before we leap, you know. Eat. Oh, it says Red Bull right there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it says Red Bull. Yeah. Yep, there it is.
Pretty good distance there.
That's the
and then there's
landing.
a boner gap over there.
Ooh wee. Okay. Gap jump ahead.
Whoa. This has got a pretty good distance too.
Wow. This is all the Red Bull. That's a pretty long distance.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do it. This is just like Highland drop. The one that I crashed at.
Yeah. Oh, the Highland drop? No. This is small compared to the Highland drop.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is more like the drops at Thunder.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're thinking about doing it?
No. No. I know you are, and I'll probably end up doing it because of that. But I'd rather not.
Okay, let's see. All right. See again, how do you do it?
You just ride off of it.
You just ride off it?
The right speed, yeah.
Do you need medium speed or fast speed?
I'll tow you in.
Oh, you're gonna tow my husband in. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do the boner log. I might hit this
Okay.
drop and then stop.
I mean, once you're going up to it with the speed, it's like it looks pretty easy.
Okay.
You're just like spin this. Gotta do the combo.
The combo, okay. Sweetheart, you got to do the combo.
I've got to do the combo.
Yeah, get a video.
All right.
Alright.
Honey, you got this. Ah, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. All right. We're gonna do it. The Red Bull drop. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Woot woot! Woot woot! You did it, love. Now it's your turn.
It's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah. I think if I just followed him off of this, I would have been fine.
Oh, he
But
floated.
it's good to, you know, like do it one at a time and not like
That's true.
everything all at once sometimes, you
Oh,
know?
I'm so proud of you, baby. You
Thanks,
did
love.
it. How was it though?
It's definitely a medium speed. You don't want to
Medium
haul butt.
speed.
You just want to be at trail pace, you know?
Trail pace?
Yeah.
Wow, baby. You're awesome.
Thanks, love. All right, Cory's doing her visualization. You know, somebody might be coming down the trail, you know. Good luck, lovey dudes. Here she comes. Wow. Nice. Good job, love. Man. Thank goodness. Yeah, I know. That's why I got quiet, because I almost had a freaking heart attack, like I do every freaking time you go off a drop. Yeah, it's pretty big.
Good luck. Send it, love. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow! Love, you did it! Woohoo! 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 Man, look at that gap. Wow, honey, you're so awesome.
Oh, here's somebody coming. Get him.
I'm so proud of you, baby.
Nice.
Nice.
So, don't brake check.
Don't brake check. Just trust the
I
process.
think maybe if you went like too deep.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to go too deep. I wanted everything controlled. Did it look like I was about to go short?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah. So then I brake checked a little bit and I just barely made it. So if you don't brake check, you're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even if I go deep? No, I mean the drop.
If you go deep on the drop, I think you can, yeah, just keep rolling.
Just keep rolling.
No pedal, no brake, no nothing.
Okay.
It'll be perfect.
Oh, how was the air time though?
Oh no, it felt great. It felt like nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow, look at that gap.
Yeah, it's freaking so intimidating to look at from here.
But you did it.
Here,
Yeah,
let me
yeah,
actually
you did it.
stand
Go
here
ahead,
before
baby.
somebody else comes. I mean, look at the distance of this thing,
Yup, yaparo.
right? Like that's 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4.5 bike lengths. 4 bike lengths if you got like an extra large bike, maybe. I don't know.
Wow, Mountain Creek is legit.
Yeah,
But you did it.
I did it.
You did it.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Good job, love. Badass. She's got some fans over here now. They happen to be looking at the trail here while she was about to hit it. Yeah? Nah, you did great. It was perfect. Yeah, it looked great. Good job, love. Yeah, yeah. Mission successful. I'm glad you pushed me to try this stuff because I wasn't going to do it. I was scared. I'm glad I did it though. No regrets.
Thank you, love.
All right, we took a moment to analyze the footage.
Man, it was.
Yeah, apparently you nosedived. I didn't see it in the moment, but you were telling me you did. Yeah. So it turns out she just unloaded a touch too early.
Got bucked.
So yeah, so that when the bike finally was starting to go over, it just kind of got bucked because the weight was already coming back down.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
very intimidating. Once you're going, it looks like a wall.
It's freaking humongous.
From
That's a long
this
distance.
angle, you cannot see it, but from coming in, it looks
Oh
like
yeah,
a wall.
yeah, yeah,
And it's like I kind of froze up a little bit
yeah.
and pushed a little bit too early
Mm-hmm.
and got back. But,
But you
I'm so
did it.
glad I didn't.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't taste it.
Man.
Nice. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Woot woot.
Nice, love. You know, I just adjusted, but it did kind of nose in a little bit too.
I don't think so. You did it perfect.
You know, you gotta like hit something like a bunch of times until you figure out how to do it right. If you're local, you've hit it 20 times. I mean, you got it dialed. For us, we're always hitting something for the first time, and everything's a different size and stuff, you know?
I think you did it perfectly, babe.
Thanks, love.
All right.
All right. Windy. Whee! Oh, looks like she cleared it, or yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful. So smooth. Hey you.
Hey you. What's
What's going on over there?